strategy I've chosen to use for my video is the vocabulary processing strategy. The vocabulary processing strategy is a strategy that is used to approach and to build to use vocabulary. There are two goals for the TESOL standards, and underneath each of these standards there are goals. And these are the goals that specifically go to this strategy. Goal 1 of the TESOL strategies is to use English to participate in school interactions. There are 3 standards for Goal 1. They are: students will use English to participate in social interactions. Students will interact in, through, and with spoken and written English for personal enjoyment. And students will use learning strategies to extend their communicative competence. The second goal of the TESOL standards is to use English to achieve academically in all course areas. There is only one standard under there that specifically matches to this type of strategy, which is the goal of students will use appropriate learning strategies to construct and apply academic knowledge. A word is what the vocabulary processing strategy is. You take a word and you need to show what that word means in many different ways. So the word is introduced in several contexts for the ELL, and the words are written in a place in a room which is visible for the students to see as a word collection. That's why I have this up here. After this video, they would have these 2 words, which are 2 colors, to be able to use in their words. I will be using pre-production and speech emergent type for the children. We will be introducing red and blue, and I'll be showing you different parts. I will be demonstrating red and blue, showing you red and blue, and giving you the words for red and blue. And that way, and then we want to see where their proficiency is. So the word is, depending on the type of word, it can be shown, demonstrated, or acted out. The word is practiced by the student, and the collection could be made by the student of things which they have found that match to that word. Like an example with the red, we'll be able to say, okay, if you find something red in the room, you can make a collection of red items. Or something blue, you can make a collection of blue items, which is also categorizing for them. The word is written in both languages possible. I chose red, rojo, blue, azul. So they can see in both languages. In the case of a classroom that I was in, our second language was Spanish. So I would use Spanish as my second language. There's also another good thing you can do is use cognates instead of just, like this one's a cognate, red and rojo, because they're both red, both are in the beginning of the word. But azul and blue are not cognates, but it is a basic word that they're going to need. So you can't always use them, but it does help them remember the word better. Using this strategy is a form of comprehensive input. The word is given in multiple ways for the ELL student to learn it. If you don't give it to them in multiple ways, they may not understand it, because all of our students are diverse learners, no matter if they're ELL or any other student in your classroom. One way to assess this strategy is to see how many of the new words they use in their writing or in their speaking. Like younger children, you may write down or what they dictate to you, so that you know that they are using the word red and blue. Or examples could be you could do colors one week, you could do animals another, but you want to use the same category so that they can learn to categorize the different animals, the different colors, the different words, like whether they're. And this can also be used in other areas besides pre-production and speech emergent. And because of the fact that what it is that as they get older, you have to give them harder words. When they're younger, this is an academic word, red, because they have to have red. But when they're older, an academic word may be something that has to do with science or history or math. So you have to find different ways to teach them that word. There are 4 stages of language development in this. This strategy can be used with all 4. They are pre-production, early production, speech emergent, and intermediate fluency. So as they get older, you need to get, it's harder words are being used in the same way. Academic words change as students progress in school. So I have chosen to use this strategy with the concept of colors. I'm going to focus on 2 colors today, red and blue. And I'm going to go through it, and then afterwards, and the way I would assess a younger group is they're going to have this box, and we're going to look at the box at the end and see what we're going to do with it. So here we go. All right. This is the color red. Hey class, I want you to say red. Red. This is also, in Spanish, the word rojo, which is also the color red. I have a red car. So here is a red car. Class, say red car. I have a red crayon. Red crayon. This is something we use every day. Red crayon. I have a red car. I have a red pen. Class, say the color red. Class, what color is this box? This side of the box. Yes, you are correct. The color is red. The next color we're going to introduce is blue. Blue. Okay, class, this is blue. It also is azul in Spanish. Blue. Azul. I have a blue hairband. What color is this hairband? Correct, it is blue. I have a blue egg. What color is this egg? Blue. Thank you. I have a blue block. What color is this block? Correct. It is blue. Our next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this box and I'm going to ask you what the color is. There's more items in this box besides what I just showed you. Okay, class, do you remember what color this box was? This box is what color? It is red. That is correct. This is a red box. Okay, the next thing is this car. What color is this car? It is red. Correct. Thank you. The color of this car is red. I have a red set of lips. This is an eraser. But what color is this eraser? It is red. I have another red car. What color is this car? It is red. I have a red crayon. What color is this crayon? Red. And I have a red pen. What color is the pen? It is red. I have a blue brush. What color is this brush? It's blue. Thank you. It is a blue brush. I have a blue hairband. What color is this hairband? Blue. I have a blue egg. What color is this egg? It is blue. I have a blue block. And what color is this block? It is blue. I have a blue truck. Blue truck. What color is this truck? Blue. I have a blue car. What color is this car? It is blue. And my box on the outside is blue. What color is this box? Blue. I'm going to put the blue item inside the blue box. And then this red item inside the red box. So for center time, we are going to put all of the items in one area like this. And we're going to have the blue box, the red box. And you are going to sort the colors. What color is this? It is blue, so it goes in the blue box. What color is this? This pen? It is red, so it goes in the red box. What color is this car? It is red. What color is this block? It is blue. What color is this car? It is blue. What color is this car? It is red. What color are these lips? They are red. And what color is this crayon? It is red. What color is this brush? It is blue. And what color is this hairband? It is blue. And what color is this truck? It is blue. I want each of you, when you are going through the room, if you find anything else that is red or blue, I would like you to add it to the collection. I want to find, if you can find more red things, put them in the box. If you can find more blue things, put them in the box. That is part of our day today. And also, when you go home, if you can find red things and blue things, you can tell your mom, that's a red car, or that's a red house. But you can use those colors in your words. Any child, when they're learning colors, they need to be encouraged, no matter if they're ELL or a regular ed student. They need to know your colors, and that's an academic word when they're younger. And they also need to know that they need to be encouraged to use them outside of the classroom so that it becomes part of their everyday language. Eventually it's just a social word, but when they're very young, it's still an academic word.